Hey everyone, it's me Scootaloo, and me April Bloom, and me Sweetie Belle. Today we have our favorite action figures here because we got a new one called Pinkie Pie. In today's video, we're going to be opening up Pinkie Pie. She loves to party. So we're going to go ahead and get it open now, and we'll see when we get it open. First we got this adorable background we accidentally ripped, but it goes for your ponies. But now it's time to get Pinkie Pie out of this plastic. We got that one layer off. Now let's pop all of our accessories out, then we'll pop out Pinkie. So first we have this adorable cupcake. It's so adorable. Then we got this balloon animal. Then we got some green balloons. And then of course we got Pinkie Pie. So let's put the balloon animals on her. And there she is.
Didn't it? Oh dear.
Why am I so dirty? Oh no! Stupid squid! Stupid squid! Stupid squid! Stupid squid! Stupid squid! Have we been forgotten about? It's good to stay over here.
If you want, you can bring it in and I'll...
My sister. Sissy!
Dude, balloons make you float.
I'm alive. No, I'm alive. No, I'm alive. No, you guys are dead. Oh, no, I'm alive. Y'all dead. Ah! We over here never die. What do I was lying. I wasn't lying. I never die.
Well,
Me and my twin sister never die.
you're right. You did.
No, we ain't. I told you we never die. She doesn't either.
Bye.
3, 5. Yeah. Yeah. Bad ending. They all died. All of our friends are dead because of that stupid gun. We'll see you guys in the next video. No, don't end it yet. We already have a 1-hour movie up. This one can't be too long. It could take up our storage. See you guys in the next video. After this little dummy learns their lesson. Bye for now. I still need to know why I'm so dirty compared to the others. So dirty. A bunch of dirt on me. Oh no, he's back. We must hide, girls. Ah! But I'm alive. Oh no. Oh no. I'm still alive. Oh no, Starlings, help me! Ow. Oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no! We thought it was safe. Oh no. We need to save each other!
What'd you say about me?
Oh no! I will defeat you! Oh no. I'll defeat you.
What'd you say about?
Oh no. We will defeat you! You're... I think they're dead now.
Yay! I won! That bar's dead.
We want to fight back. I said
Bye.
we want to fight back. Okay, now it's official we're all safe. Yeah. At least none of us can die. Okay, it's not confirmed. It is not confirmed. Wait, where did my balloons go? This is bad. Oh no, my balloons!
Pop, pop. Pop, pop balloon. Pop balloon.
Okay, now it's actually really confirmed. It's not confirmed. You know what? I shouldn't say that it's confirmed anymore until they actually leave the house. Bye. We're really positive that we're safe now. Because he can't just go back and forth. So, ponies, we're all safe, hopefully. You know, we shouldn't confirm it. Well, he's not coming back, so we'll confirm it. My twin sister lost her cup. It's right here. What happened to all my accessories? They got taken off. Let's put this back on, sis. So tasty. Thank you guys for watching this video. And go to our discussion to give us the video audio and we might do it. Yeah. See you guys in the next video. Bye.